babadde n'olukiiko olwa board ya Uganda Investment Authority, omwabadde chairman wa board ne director general wa Investment Authority. So baba wereddeko ettaka batandikiza hika 5 mu Jinja Industrial Park, we bagenda okuteeka factories ze batugambye ze baagala okutandikisa, emu ya ngato, endala ya ceramics. Bajja kutandika ensimbi eziwera obukadde 10 obwa dollars za United States of America.
尊敬的乌干达投资者保护局团队，我首先感谢
unit, especially thanks for the Kano Edith, and I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you and your team. The tireless effort in the facilitating investment and entrepreneurship in Uganda. I'm truly amazed by the breadth and the depth of your office operations, which is rarely based on my international investment experiences. Not only do you provide a wealth of investment informations, but you also offer authoritative advice and guidance. Give us a clear understanding of Uganda's investment environment.